Alright guys, good morning. So I just ordered some more boards for the ceiling, which they're actually delivering right now. And this is for Jason's. Here's the receipt. And the total is $4,610. So they're all finished with the outside ceiling. All this way. Going around this way. What do you think?
Hey!
Looking good, bro.
Yes! Ulpit butir.
So here's a look at what Seapring did today. Getting ready for the ceiling for tomorrow. So cool. And then they measured the windows today, so that should be done in the next few days. They're gonna wait to do the windows until Seapring is done with the ceiling. Then Seapring will put the 2 rooms in here, and then the furniture should be done around that same time. So everything is kind of falling in place and should be done all together. Alright, so these are some of the books that we ordered, and we'll let them choose what they want.
Pili, di okay na. Ano mo ha? Gi ikaw dai sunod.
Ikaw, sasi.
Kana.
Bilis.
Gi ikaw dai.
And they're either siblings or neighbors, so you guys can trade whenever you want to.
Sa kana mo ha? Alphabet.
Ikaw lang.
Ikaw dai.
What chin?
Gi pakuha sa Chelsea. Ini ka Chelsea ay reindeer. Kana.
Ikaw pa yan. Kuya, ikaw lang.
Or pwede sa kini.
Ikaw lang. Kana mo kuya? Kana
Okay, with the cows. Dr. Seuss, you can't go wrong with Dr. Seuss.
Kana mo ha?
Kini ko na ka Chelsea. Ikaw kini Chelsea.
Kana siya.
Gi pindot kaya.
Nindot kaya. Ini nindot masab ni oh, kana.
Yeah, the cow one I thought was cool.
Gusto nindot. Nindot.
Hello.
Sa Chelsea oh, do ka buok oh.
My baby
will be here. He will
want
to
eat. I must
get
something
for my
baby. Good. Bird.
To eat. She said I'll be
Back.
So
Away.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You guys all like your books?
Yes.
All right. Next time we'll quiz you on the books. You're welcome. See you guys later. All right, hey guys. So this is very random, but it's been something kind of we've been working on the last couple of weeks. Someone's been helping Dodo's family, and just a big shout out to you. They got bicycles, gift boxes that's been coming even when I was away. So that's very, very cool of you. But one other thing that we're doing right now is we just surprised Dodo with 2 goats. So we had a male and a female. So eventually, you know, the female can have babies in the future.
Kasi pangalan mo na abisin? Hambi.
May kasuway mo na. Dan usadan dako yung dan gamay. Mani laki.
Ito. Kanang isunga mo na laki. Ang ganang bai kay puti.
I don't know if you guys can pick up the sky or even see me. I know it's getting dark now. But look at this. The sun just set not too long ago. It's so beautiful out here.
Yang usa.
Ano?
Oh, kana.
Kaning ko.
Kanding 1, kanding 2. Kanding 1, kanding 2, no?
Ah.
Pakano na nimo si kanding 1?
Ah, siya. Ampay ka niya.
Black white kami. Black white.
Alright, hey guys, good morning. So we're with Dodo today. He's doing some gardening. And we were just here the other day and we surprised him with some goats. And it was late in the day, so it may be hard to see. So we came back today and just kind of check up. And this is a big thank you to you know who you are. A person has been doing a lot of help behind the scenes and when I've been gone. And you have this bike and then the 2 goats and among many other things. So a little checkup for you. I was gonna check up with the family. How's everyone doing?
Kumusta? Kumusta man mo? Okay, and I'm talking to them and I am amazed with this pink colored bike. And Clara said this is her service going to school.
Cool.
Yeah.
Wow.
Sometimes she she goes with her father with a tricycle and sometimes like this.
The bike is very handy. That's cool. I like your addition of like the wood in front.
Yeah.
Is that for like an extra passenger or?
Yeah. I said, oh, is it broken? Why there's like this? And they said their father add that because Abyssal wants to ride too.
That's perfect.
And Clara can ride, so all of them can fit.
That's good. So how are you adjusting with the goat? Is it easy or is it difficult having a goat now? 2 goats?
Daga nakabuhi? There was a running goat yesterday. That was a running chicken.
That's what happens, you know. How far did it make it?
Asa mo napot? Run around. The goat said, I'm free.
This is my playground now. Who was the one that ended up catching the goat when it ran away?
Clara.
Clara, okay. How long did it take you?
Pila dugay di mo nakpanday. Oh. Long time.
Long time.
hours. Yeah. I think goat eat kiss. Kapag sila. Ali day, kana day. Kumari usa dong. You're
They're in a good spot to eat almost everything out here. Look at this. There's so much food. It's nice having 2 goats so they can hang out. I think the goats will be happy here too. At Fiabayanas, I don't think they got much exercise. So here, with all this land here, they'll be back and forth, back and forth.
Yeah, just like what Maria said.
Yeah, running around. Good looking goats.
Daghan mo sa dede, oh. Anong kabayo? Mukhang sila na yun, oh.
Alright, bye bro. See you later.
Bye, Giselle.
Bye guys, no problem. See you next time. Bye bye. So I kind of peeked through the window, but it looks like the dividers are already starting to go up. Bro! Hey bro! Wow!
Nice division.
That's awesome. You guys are moving fast. Now it's really coming along. That's so cool. So here's one room here. The door. Very nice, guys. We have some violet camote and some bananas with ginamos.
Yes!
Alright guys, so exciting day. We just ordered the windows from Portillo Glass. And we did the down payment of 10,000 and total is 20,000. So, if anybody wants to order windows, what's the best way to contact you?
Contact me.
Contact you, alright.
Yes.
In Portillo Glass, right in Magdigal, right?
Bawal magluto.
Okay, so that'd be a very exciting day for tomorrow. We'll get the windows installed and then Man, we're wrapping it up this very soon. Perfect little snack. Alright, so the salty Guinemus fish is not really my favorite, but the onion is pretty good. That's the way to do it right there. Pretty good? Alright, hey guys, so the workers just left. I'll just do a little walk around. So we talked to Macario this morning and he said he'll be delivering his furniture very soon. So we have that TV stand there, and then a couple chairs and a table, and then the bench. So very cool. Another good day, and yeah, then tomorrow will be nice seeing the windows. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.